Hello, my name's Alex Hyde. I'm the VAT consultant here at WR Partners. In my role, I address specific VAT queries using the knowledge and experience that I gained whilst working directly for HMRC. VAT is quite a complex area of tax, but it's one that affects most businesses on a daily basis. A business needs to know whether it should charge VAT on the sales that it makes or whether it can recover VAT on a particular business expense. No one wants to fall foul of HMRC. It can lead to financial consequences, including penalty action. But HMRC's view is that it's the taxpayer's responsibility to get it right. In addition to completing or reviewing VAT returns, WR Partners employ me to address specific VAT queries. In my role as a VAT consultant, I use the knowledge that I've gained from working at HMRC, and I address this to specific situations to ensure that our clients receive VAT advice that's tailored to their individual business needs. Another service I offer is a VAT health check. The prospect of VAT inspections can be quite scary, and I know this because I used to do them for HMRC. During our health check process, I can visit the business and review the books and records like I did when working for HMRC. If I find any errors, I can then work with the business to put these errors right without the threat of penalties hanging over their heads. Recently, a client came to me because they believed they'd underclaimed VAT on the VAT returns. Under HMRC rules, a business can review VAT returns and adjust them going back for a 4-year period, so it's quite a significant time frame. Initially, I had to review all the business purchases made during the period to determine their use and whether they're related to taxable or exempt supplies. I then had to complete a partial exemption calculation for each VAT return that had been submitted, and then an additional calculation on an annual basis at each year end. I then was able to calculate the amount of VAT that the business should have recovered and compare that to the amount of VAT that the business actually did recover. Due to the experience I've got, I was able to provide the information that HMRC needed in order to verify the repayment. But more importantly, I was able to provide that information in a way that was acceptable to HMRC. Thanks to my intervention, the business received a repayment of over £500,000. It's important that we follow the business as it grows to make sure that the VAT liability has been treated correctly at every step of their journey. Because if we don't, that's when problems arise and HMRC may instigate penalty action. When you submit VAT returns to HMRC, you can either make a payment to HMRC or you can reclaim some money from them. Quite often, it's the first VAT return that you submit that's got a VAT repayment on. But also quite often in these cases, HMRC will come out to ask for more information before making that repayment to the client. So that's where I can come in. I know how HMRC's mind works. I know what information they're looking for, and so I can provide this information to them so we can get the repayment back to you as quickly as possible, rather than having more and more queries being asked. If you'd like to find out more, my name is Alex Hyde. You can contact me using this link on our website.